Kasi kung obvious na kung paano nilalaro tong game na to, mahihirapan tayo manalo. Kasi lahat pwede manalo, di ba? So this game is being played hindi kung ano yung nakikita mo sa harap mo, bagkus kung ano yung nasa likod nun. Ito po, no, yung gold ETF. Okay, sabi dito, yung gold ETF nung inintroduce nung 2004, ang gold price po was around $45. And then bumagsak 2005, no, bumalik ng $41 pagka-approve. Okay, pagka-approve ng 2004 by 2005, $41. Hindi umakyat. However, after that, after nung correction, after the sell-on news, umakyat na tayo. Gold now is trading right now 2,040. So 20 years ago, gold price was just $40 and now it's 2,040. 20 years ago. O saka na natin pag-usapan yung 20 years from now ng Bitcoin. Baka mamaya mapa-all-in kayo eh. Okay? What we are saying here, while everyone is so excited about this spot Bitcoin ETF, kailangan natin tignan nasaan na ba yung presyo by the time na ma-approve yan. Kasi kung naka-take off na yung price by the time na ma-approve yan, there is a big possibility na magkaroon ng sell-on news. Alright? So, yung mga hindi nakakaintindi, bagong papasok pa lang, dun sila bibili. Yung mga matatagal ng tambay, nakabudega na, o de dun naman lalabas, magte-take profit naman. O, iba naman yung sasakay. Ayan, follow for more dito moves!